guys, welcome back. We are almost there. Bytnex is almost there. They just let us know few hours ago that we are getting close to coming back fully, okay, into operation as before. As you can see, when you log in, okay, when you try to log in, when you click on the URL and you try to log in. Now remember to get the right URL. Don't go and get the fake one. There are a lot of fake Bytnex URL out there. So my recommendation is do not type Bytnex on Google. Go and get the correct link, the genuine link, the official link from your upline. Don't just think about trying to type it up, because copycats are now available online. So if you don't get the right link and you type the wrong one, you may be exposing your details. You don't want that to happen to your account, not after purchasing one contract at least. When you try to log in with the right URL, okay, with the right link, this is what you get now. Okay, the login page is now displaying. It's no longer giving us the information that you saw in my previous video, okay, a few days ago. Yeah, they said thank you for your patience. The updates are almost complete and your wallet will be available again shortly. Thank you for your understanding. Now if you try to log in, okay, you are going to get another message, but they are getting close. That is the whole point of this video. So be patient. Continue to be patient. That's what they are telling you here. Thank you for your patience. Keep being patient and wait until when they complete everything before we will be able to, easily and safely, securely log in. Right? And then you will go to your back office and check and confirm all your contracts. That's what most people are scared of. They are scared of their contract not, being what it used to be. But I can't sit here and tell you what I don't know. I can only tell you that wait until you log in and then see how your contracts have performed all this while they have been on maintenance. Okay, so let's be patient. Once we are able to log in, I will record a new video to tell you that we are fully back and we are able to log in. But until then, just sit back, relax, don't do anything for now. Thank you. God bless.